Hey, what's up everybody out there in internet land? So along the way I've used and acquired quite a few Nikon 50mm lenses. So I wanted to use some picture examples to give you a feel for the lenses and see which one would actually work for you. Maybe this will save you some time and some money. I'm going to start with my favorite one, the 50mm 1.4 AIS lens. Just suffice it to say that this is my favorite lens, period. I'll never get rid of it. The bokeh rendering is fantastic, and I don't have a lot of examples of it stopped down just because I normally use this lens when I need that wider aperture. The first comparison I'm going to make is to the 1.4G lens, and I only have this one photo for this. Borrowed it from a friend one evening at his house, and I just wanted to show you the difference between the rendering on this. It is a much more modern look to it. I do believe the AIS lens is more artistic looking. Now the next comparison I'm going to make is to the 1.8E lens. Now the E lenses were basically an AIS lens, only meant to be a little bit cheaper and a little bit smaller. As you can see, the rendering is somewhat similar and it does have that artistic look. The main difference between it and the AIS lens is that you can't focus it quite as close, and so you would have to crop in a little bit to get an equivalent view. But once you do, the rendering is very artistic and very similar to the 1.4 AIS. Alright guys, the last lens that I'm going to do is the 1.8D. It's a nice little lens. It's got AF as long as you have an AF motor in the body itself. It's the cheapest new lens that you can buy from Nikon. There's a nice creamy bokeh whenever you shoot it wide open, and it's sharpened significantly by about 2.8. I have some shots at different apertures to show you here, and because I have had this lens for such a long time. Hey guys, if I had to choose just one of these lenses, I'm not sure that I could. The AIS lens is fantastic, but so was the G series. If you don't need the aperture ring, the G series may be the way to go. But for me, I use a film camera from time to time, so I might try out the 1.4D. Alright guys, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you on it. And until the next video, you all take care.